kayo no. Pakita mo sila.
Bigat!
No, gat bigat.
Anminel, happy birthday. Sana kahit 18 ka na ngayon, makatapos ka pa rin ng iyong pag-aaral at makakita ka ng magandang trabaho. Swerte sa iyo ang 2014 to 2016. Tandaan mo yan. Happy birthday!
Hello, Anne. This is Robert Taravalo, and allow me to greet you a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Anne, happy birthday. At tapos na yung teenage life mo. You're 18 years old and you're now a woman, so act like a lady.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, Anminel, as the case may be. Ako si Congressman Manik Manaog na nabati sa iyo ng happy 18th birthday. Sana masaya ang dibo mo, sana ay madaming mabusog sa handa mo, at sana ay madaming tumingin sa iyo sa kagandahan mo. Maraming salamat.
Gumagalaw. Hindi nga big picture, video lang. Kapurpuraw! Kapurpuraw! It's more fun!
Happy birthday, Anminel, on this great milestone in your life. You are now officially entering adulthood and full womanhood. So, on this occasion, we extend our best wishes and offer our fervent prayers.